I cannot emphasize more on the CBCT and its advantages. It helps us diagnose abnormal anatomy, all the retreatment cases, surgeries. We cannot do surgeries without a CT because it tells us exactly what is wrong, where it's wrong, and what to focus on. And then we have the microscope. We have the best of the best, the Zeiss. I do not know how we practiced endo before a microscope was invented. It's an eye-opener, it's life-changing. It has made our work and our life easier. We can see much better and help patients much better, and our axis is very small, which helps us preserve the patient's tooth anatomy. Being technologically advanced brings confidence to a patient's mind. They know that we are not stagnant. We are still in a learning mode. We are training ourselves constantly to keep us updated with the modern technology, what's new, what's good, and that brings, the patients at ease and more confident in our treatment. And it's also a great way to educate a patient about their problems, so now they can make a rational decision about their treatment options. For anyone who thinks root canal is painful, please don't forget, reach out to us at Advanced Endodontics of New York. We will be more than happy to take care of you and also take care of your pain and make the procedure as painless as possible for you.